You know those days when picking an outfit feels like solving a big puzzle? It's like a daily battle with our closets, right? Should I wear flats or heels? Black or pink? So many decisions to make, and what to wear can feel like the hardest one. It might seem small, but these daily choices add up and can leave us feeling a bit worn out by the end of the day. But every day does not need to feel like solving closet puzzles. On our voyage, I will share tips on how you can solve your personal style struggle. But before we do, please subscribe and hit the notification button. Let's first begin by talking about our insecurities and anxieties regarding personal styles. It's not just about fabrics and colors, it's this emotional roller coaster of worrying about what others think. The fear of judgment can mess with our choices and how we see ourselves. It's tough, and we've all been there. TikTok fashionistas and the Kim K of this world. Social media bombards us with these perfect images, making us feel like we're not doing fashion right. It's a dance between what we love and what everyone else seems to be doing. Do you or be everyone else? Understanding all these struggles is like unlocking the first level of a video game. It's an invite to dig deep, figure out what's really bothering us, and use fashion as a way to express ourselves without all the insecurities. By facing and navigating these challenges, we're not just picking clothes, we're crafting a story of self-acceptance and empowerment. Ready to dive into this journey of self-discovery and personal style? If you said yes, that's some serious bravery right there. It's not just about wanting a change, it's like digging deep into who we are and finding the strength to shake things up. Let's talk about why this journey is a big deal. Facing the tough stuff. When we say we're on this journey, it's like shining a light on those parts of ourselves we usually keep in the shadows. It takes guts to admit that we're not perfect and that there's room to grow. Confronting our insecurities is like paving the way for a more real version of ourselves. Getting reflective. This phase is all about looking in the mirror, not just at our outfits but at what's driving us to make changes. Is it a boost in confidence we're after, a shift in how we see ourselves, or just a craving to express who we really are? Reflecting on these intentions makes our journey more focused and purposeful. Breaking free from normal. Saying we're on this journey is like shouting, "Hey, I'm not sticking to the same old me." It's like realizing that where we are right now, whether in style, isn't the final stop. This realization gives us a mindset makeover, pushing us into new and exciting territory where we can discover and grow. Setting the style GPS for change. Intentions are like our personal style GPS. They guide us on this journey. Acknowledging the need for change means setting clear goals for where we want to go. Whether it's building confidence, embracing our unique selves, or just showering ourselves with love, these intentions become our guiding lights, keeping us on track. By saying, "Yep, I'm on this journey," you're not just refreshing your lifestyle, you're kickstarting a process that can turn you into a more confident, authentic, and empowered version of yourself. How awesome is that? Breaking free from fashion rules. This stage is all about throwing out the rulebook of societal norms and fashion conventions. It's an invitation to say bye-bye to what's considered trending, in style, or appropriate. Instead, it's about taking the reins and creating your own fashion story. Your style is like a canvas. You're the artist, free to paint with the colors that scream you. Authentic self-expression. At its core, personal fashion is your way of shouting to the world, "This is me." Encourage you to let your clothes do the talking. It's not about following trends dictated by others but curating a wardrobe that screams your personality, passions, and how you see life. Mixing and matching fun. Here's the best part on this journey: we applaud being yourself. Think of you only. If you do not know what you like, try. Mix and match patterns, blend colors, and try different styles just for the fun of it. The beauty is in the spontaneity of your choices and the joy of discovering combinations that vibe with your mood and personality. Style confidence steals the show. It's not about labels or how much you spent. It's about rocking what you wear with confidence. Confidence turns any outfit into a statement, and this stage encourages us to grow that inner strength as we strut through our style journey. As you navigate your personal fashion journey, don't forget to take a breather and celebrate the victories, whether they're big milestones or tiny triumphs. Each step forward is a testament to your resilience and unwavering commitment to personal growth. Embrace this beautiful cycle of building style confidence, where every high five you give yourself becomes a reminder of the incredible journey you're on. If you enjoyed diving into the world of personal fashion, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community for more style inspiration, confidence-boosting tips, and a whole lot of positivity. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to continue this awesome journey together. Hit that subscribe button now, and let's keep moving.